Hayden Panettiere mama akaba yavuze. Hayden Panettiere's tragic death at the age of 36. Her estranged mother, Lesley Vogel, broke her silence in a phone interview with NBC News. Vogel criticized Panettiere's on-again, off-again boyfriend, Brian Hickerson, calling him a person in her life that we have been trying to get rid of for quite some time, according to heavily redacted police incident reports from Greenville, South Carolina. Hickerson and his brother were present when authorities arrived and found Panettiere in cardiac arrest. Vogel stated that growing up in the entertainment industry is a challenging struggle, making it not unusual for them to sadly find the wrong path. She remarked, "I think Hayden sadly lost her way and I wish it were different." Vogel concluded by sharing, "I just feel that she, with her brother Jansen, who died in 2023, and they are at peace." The relationship between mother and daughter had been deeply strained for years, a topic Panettiere explored heavily in her May 2026 memoir, This Is Me, A Reckoning. Panettiere stated on the GETTY podcast that Vogel had acted as her manager since infancy, blurring the boundaries until Panettiere felt like everything but her child. When Panettiere severed their business relation at the age of 19, she claimed her mother demanded money, saying, "You owe me." At the time of the book's release, Vogel dismissed the claims to page 6 as a drama partially to sell books. Umukinnyi w'amafilime Hayden Panettiere wapfuye afite imyaka 36 byatunguye abantu benshi. Mama we witwa Lesley Vogel ariko batari bakivugana. Mu kiganiro n'ikinyamakuru cya NBC kuri telefone yavuze ati, "Gukurira muri uyu mwuga wo gukina amafilime hari igihe wisanga mu nzira mbi. Nanjye nakwifuje ko umukobwa wanjye atakaba yarisanze muri izi nzira mbi, ariko niko byagenze. Yaje kugera aho aribura, bityo ni nako twamutakaje. Gusa ubu ndizera ko we n'umuvandimwe we Jansen wapfuye muri 2023 ubu bafite amahoro aho bari." Lesley Vogel ariwe mama wa Hayden Panettiere wabaye manager we kuva akiri umwana, baje gushwana Hayden Panettiere agize imyaka 19. Nk'uko Panettiere yabyanditse mu gitabo cye cyitwa This Is Me cyagiye hanze mu kwa gatanu 2026, avuga ko we na nyina amaze kugira imyaka 19 batandukanye kubera ko yifuzaga ko mama we gusa atari umukozi we. Bamaze gushwana, nyina ngo yaramubwiye ati, "You owe me." Ni nko kuvuga ati yamusabye amafaranga, ati undi mu mwenda. Kuva icyo gihe bahise bashwana. Hayden Panettiere tragically died at the age of 36. May she rest in peace. Condolences to her family, her friends and all her fans.